What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel on this rainy Tuesday. About to go finish up on the BMW today, man. Well, it's probably gonna be done tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow is Wednesday, you know. Today's Tuesday. But we're probably gonna be finishing up on the BMW on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. And then I should be back at my big body BMW, you feel me? After all the jokes, after everybody talking shit, you know what I mean? The BMW will be back, hopefully tomorrow. I'm hoping, because I can't take no more problems, bro. Every freaking time we get close to done, it's always one extra problem. This all started because we had to change the rear main seal, bro. It's so annoying, but it is what it is. Me and Jermaine yesterday got the transmission almost down. We have to take out 2 more bolts. So today we're gonna finish that out. I know he went to BMW for me today to go pick up some parts. So I got some OEM gaskets and shit like that coming in. So when I get there, he should be there chilling. So trying to get this BMW back on the road, man. I hate driving this Benz truck. I don't hate it, but I don't know. I'm more of a car guy. Like, I don't really care for trucks too much. Like, if I was given this car, I would drive the hell out of it. But like, if I had a choice, I would just stick to the cars that I got.
You want to see me now? Oh, you over too much to the... Come back and come more to the left. I'm sure.
Huh? Trans is coming down. I'm gonna move the lamp first. It's on top, but
The light is on the top. Let me get the light out of there. Let me get the light out of there. So you will show it. Hold, man. Hold a minute.
Trans is coming down. Trans is down. Next one to go.
You don't need to put your...
Alright. All the bolts off the flex plate is out. So now he's just marking it just to make sure when he puts it back, it's back in the same spot. Just call him Jermaine Fix It. Alright, what you saying now?
Yep, here's the culprit. As you can see, Exhibit A, the oil.
Why are you sticking up your middle finger?
Oh, sorry, guys. But it's confirmed.
That's it?
It's actually poking out. If you look at it carefully, look, the seal is to push that back in, but I'm not gonna do that.
Because we got a new seal, so we're just gonna use that new seal. Or, you know, I could get some of this BMW money back. But I'm not built like that, so I'm just gonna do the new shit.
Alright, so...
Good.
Okay, so I want to explain exactly how this might have happened. So now that I've seen everything that happened with the engine, this is the scenario that I'm going to recreate. The previous owner had the car, they was driving it, they was ignoring condition number 1, the oil filter housing leak. That oil filter housing leak was causing oil to drip on the serpentine belt. Over time, the belt started to deteriorate and it's under constant stress because the engine could go up to like 8,000 RPMs. So that belt is spinning. So what happened to them, I believe the belt shredded itself, lodged itself inside the front crank seal and entered inside of the motor. Now, in their scenario, they probably experienced the battery light came on or the power steering got stiff. So they took it to somebody and all they did was replace the belt and kept driving the car. Or maybe they knew about the condition and sold the car. So now, being that the belt is inside the motor and they're still driving the car like this, with this condition, the oil is leaking out of the front main seal, and now the oil pickup tube becomes blocked. Because if you guys saw his other video, we pulled chunks out of the oil pickup screen. So because that pump is blocked, it creates excess pressure inside the oil pan. So now that excess pressure is going to want to relieve itself at the weakest points, which was A, the oil pan gasket, and B, you can actually see the rear main seal poking out. Like, I could probably pull this out with my hand. Look, you got this on camera?
Yep.
Look, it's like coming out with my fingernail. So the oil is definitely leaking out of here.
What is up, everyone? So it's the next day. I just came from Pep Boys. I had to pick up some more brake cleaner. So yeah, I also went to Best Buy and I bought me a 8-inch dual kicker sub for the S2000. It's like a dual box, so I think it has like a voice and a subwoofer. It's a comp bar subwoofer. So I'm gonna give that a try in the S2000. The reason why I haven't gone with the bottom one that like you can fit in the bottom of the trunk well is because, I don't know, everyone that has it or that uses it doesn't really like it. For some reason, like every person that has it are like, oh, it's all right, you know, it's not that great, it's okay, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, you know what, let's try something a little bit different. And plus, like, maybe some people don't want that setup. Maybe they want something a little bit different. So I'm just gonna test this one out and see if it works and if it fits, because I moved my air tank to the top of the trunk. So now I should have more space to put like anything else in there. So I think it'll work. I think it'll fit. When we went to Atlantic City, I was able to fit my duffel bag, Vanessa's duffel bag, and a couple other things in there. So I'm pretty sure that this kicker sub will fit. Probably when I stop driving, I'll show you guys, but that's it right there. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty sleek, it's slim, it's not too crazy. Like, I don't want the system to be like obnoxious, but I want it to be at least a little, you know, a little bit more bassy, and it does have vocals on it too. So hopefully this comes out good. I hope it sounds good. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I've been like trying to find like subwoofers to fit inside the S2000. So all right, so here's the subwoofer right here. It's pretty small. I believe these are 8s. I think they're 8s. Yeah, 8s. So let's see how good it is, man. If not, I'll upgrade to the 10. But I think it'll do good. I was watching a couple of video reviews and it seemed like they were pretty clean, so I'm hoping this works good. I'm gonna do a review on it for you guys once I get it in the car, but I'm probably not gonna do it in this vlog. I'm just showing you guys what I got. So right now I just want to see if it fits in the trunk, and my god, it does, boy. It actually fits, yo. All right, so it fits in the trunk perfectly good, right in the wheel well. I'm gonna clean up, hide the wires and stuff, but not right now because I'm kind of in a rush because I gotta get to Jermaine. But it fits in there. Now let's just see how good it sounds, but I'm gonna save that for another video. All right,
what's up, people? So you missed it when I just put the rear main seal in. We already got it back together. If you guys, I don't know when you're gonna see this video, but you got 24 hours to go to my Instagram and check out the live video, and
put his name right here.
So right now the transmission is pretty much ready to go back in, but first we're gonna deal with these exhaust downpipes. The bolts were extremely corroded, so they snapped when we disconnected the exhaust. So now I got to figure out a method to remove these studs so we could put nuts and bolts, and then once we get those out, then we'll put the transmission up because it's going to take up a lot of space. Alright, so if you guys don't know how to use a torch, the first thing you want to do is turn on the gas, both tanks, and then you have this red hose and this green hose. The red is acetylene, the green is oxygen. To get the torch started, you want to turn on the red hose a little bit, ignite it. You're going to see this orange flame. Adjust the flame, and then slowly increase the oxygen. It should turn into a blue flame. Alright, so the goal is to focus the heat on the stud so that it turns like this cherry red. And once you do that, I'm going to try to use the hammer and bang it out. So the manufacturers know that during the service life of the vehicle, you might have to do stuff like this. And they designed the bolts, the hardware. They have a specific melting point, which is usually much lower than the surrounding metal. So don't be afraid to, like, you might think that you might melt the metal around it. But be mindful, just try to focus the heat on the stud itself.
You give me $5,000, I'll touch it.
Early season, nothing.
Transmission is about to go up. When I tell y'all this thing is heavy as hell, heavy, boy. For those of you who was just on the live stream, shout out to y'all. Y'all got to see a little insight of what was going on before the vlog came out. That's why y'all gotta be a part of the notification squad, man. Turn on your notification bell when my videos drop or anything that I do. Because then you get to miss out. You don't get to miss out on all the good stuff that happens behind the scenes. Even though the vlog is a behind the scene kind of thing anyway. But yeah.
This is what happened when the mechanic tell you the price. He said, nah, fuck that. I will fix my own shit. Look, he up there though. It's like, nah, he's tightening the bolt for me because he was nice enough to give me a water break.
Should be good though. What's good, gang? So it's the end of the vlog. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. It's a long road, but we're getting to 20K. I feel it this year, this summer. We're definitely gonna hit it. If it does not rain on Friday, I will come out to Ratchet Friday. Hopefully Jermaine will come with me. Hopefully the BMW will be done tomorrow. It's been a long road. I'm ready to get my baby back. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But it gives me a peace of mind knowing that everything that could possibly go wrong with the car, I fixed. From oil leaks to whatever, you know what I mean? So, I'm feeling it now, but eventually it will be better. I know we'll get better, and I'm just gonna enjoy the car. I'm not selling the BMW. Stop telling me to sell the BMW. But that's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, throw a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to your boy. Alright, subscribe to your boy. There should be no reason why I have 110,000 views on a video and I only got 17,000 subscribers. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to me, man. Alright, peace.